Hi guys, let's talk about Hyderabad's best financial modeling course. But before going ahead, let's first understand what financial modeling really is. To make it simple, I have already added the link to learn financial modeling in the description box. Make sure to check it out. Financial modeling is the process of creating a structured representation of a company's financial performance using Microsoft Excel and relatable tools. It also involves building models that forecast revenue, expenses, profits, cash flow, and overall business valuation. It is widely used in investment banking, equity research, corporate finance, startups and business planning, mergers and acquisitions. In simple words, financial modeling helps business and investors make important decisions like should we invest in the company? How much will the business grow in the next 5 years? What is the company's valuation? Is the project profitable or not? Now let me assure you that the demand for financial modeling professionals is really high, not only in India but also in the global market. Companies are actively hiring candidates with strong financial modeling and Excel skills because business run on numbers and data-driven decisions. All just you need is a good course that also offers internationally affiliated certificates. Now, if you are serious about building a career in finance, investment banking or corporate roles after your MBA, and learning financial modeling is a must-have skill. To help you out, I have added the link to the best financial modeling courses available in your city in the description box. Make sure you check it out if you truly want to upskill yourself. I hope you found this video valuable. Do like, comment and share it with your friends, and if you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comments. I will surely clear them.